This is it, my announcement regarding the free training on appointment setting. This is for beginners who would like to offer this type of service to their potential clients or current VAs or freelancers who would like to add this skill to their profiles. Now, what is inside the free appointment setting training? Here's a glimpse.
So this is something that you can add actually in your resume. So we will provide you with this opportunity. So para if you want to do more than what you're doing now, so this is the best time to do it. And to help assist virtual workers look for potential clients, prospects, and set appointments for them. Okay, so how to be an effective appointment setter? These are very, very important reminders, by the way. So before you can actually start making calls, kailangan you have to be prepared mentally, emotionally, okay, and sometimes spiritually. Yung iba nagpe-pray muna bago mag-start. But it doesn't matter. You have to be prepared in all aspects.
Anyway, guys, just always remember, maganda kung nagsasuggest kayo sa client, hindi lang yung sunod lang kayo ng sunod sa inuutos nila sa inyo. Kasi they hired you not to delegate lang the task sa inyo, kundi to be his business partner din.
Exactly.
So, yan, oo. So, you are there to help him grow his business. This is a 5-day training and will start on Monday, the 12th of October at 4 p.m. Philippine time and will run for about 1 to 1.5 hours. There will only be 50 seats available for this session. Last time we had 30 seats only. You will be coached by someone who has been an appointment setter for 4 straight years. There will be role plays, sample effective scripts, basic CRM training, because most businesses are using CRMs now, including mine. To qualify, share this video publicly on your Facebook wall, tag at least 2 friends who you think who would like to join and benefit from this training and our future trainings. Send your resume or profile with a cover letter stating why you would like to join the free training, along with a screenshot of your shared post to cforceworkshop@gmail.com. Again, that's cforceworkshop@gmail.com. With the subject, appointment setting training. We will only accept interests until 2 p.m. Philippine time on Friday, the 9th of October, 2020. Again, we will only accept interests until 2 p.m. Philippine time on Friday, the 9th of October, 2020. Good luck, and we will see you there.